Once you're like pulling up on a sandbar,
yeah,
you just like throw a leg over.
Can you toss instead of me
I hand that to you.
killing myself before I even get in it?
Hold on to the sides, John. Stay low and in the middle. Stay in the middle. Stay low.
I'm in the middle and I'm low.
Perfect.
The seat moves up. I didn't think about it, but you know, so does the back. You want the back up?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. It's pretty stable. You kind of rock your hips.
Bon voyage! That's what it is.
Head upstream now.
Which would be that way?
Yep.
That way. If you want, you can go see a Sully's.
Now let him just worry about him. You got your paddle backwards. Upside down. Flip it.
Left to right. Like
End
so.
to end.
There you go. Why? Because the curve of it.
It's just the way it is. Just listen to us for once.
Alright, let's go.
We'll go out there and get it, John.
Okay, let's go.
I couldn't bring that with by myself.